Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app and let me turn the screen, and basically it doesn't really matter if we will be on the camera mode or the photo mode, because we have to enter, let's say, general settings. So let's tap on this three dots icon in the left upper corner and tap on the settings right here, and now we have to scroll down a little bit in order to find the self timer. As you can see right now it is off, so let's tap, and here just by swiping or tapping on this plus and minus icon, we can set the timer. So the maximum duration is 10 seconds, so your device will count down from 10. We can set 5 also seconds, 2 seconds, or turn it off completely. So let me pick 10 seconds in order to, or 5 seconds in order to show you. After swiping on this switcher, we can simply go back and tap on the camera on the shutter button, and as you can see our device will count down from 5 at this case, and after that it will simply take a photo. And of course all of the options will work the same. Of course only the count time will be changed, and you can turn off the self timer just by going to the very left with the switcher, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.